the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa Clark International Speedway para sa track day ng mga supercars or Supercar Club track day. Kasama natin yung mga friends natin dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga kotse, wild na mga kotse, puro supercars, Ferrari, Porsche, Lambo, GTR. Ito yung friend natin, si Kirk. Si Kirk is sa Squid. Kung di nyo pa napafollow yung YouTube channel nila, follow nyo sila, check out nyo. For sure itong coverage ng track day na to lalabas sa vlog nila, so abangan nyo yun. Ikot tayo, tingnan natin yung mga kotse nandito. Super daming interesting na kotse, like itong parating na kotse na to, tingnan nyo to. Huracan STO. Wild. So, yun yung 1,000 horsepower versus 1,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower na Huracan saka 1,000 horsepower na R35. So, ang nanalo is yung Huracan. So, this one is the 1,000 horsepower R35 by Auto Plus. Ito naman yung 1,000 horsepower na Huracan. Well, I think itong Huracan na to is twin turbo. So check out natin to, yung mga kotse dito. So ito, isa sa mga pinakasikat na GR Yaris sa Pilipinas. Itong Paris na GR Yaris kila Carlos Divino. Yan isa sa pinaka-favorite kong GR Yaris sa Pilipinas. And meron din yung GR Yaris dito, dala ni Jose. Ito yung GR Yaris ni Oric. So si Oric is currently nasa bakasyon. So si Jose may dala. Super daming supercars here now. Ito may e-tron na Audi. Ito GT4 RS, 720S McLaren. So, ito nga yung Huracan na twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower, wild. And then meron din yung GT4 RS ulit, Supra, Ferrari F12. Yan, super dami, as in grabe yung auto ngayon. Grabe yung lineup.
Guys, come on down. I can still see a bunch of drivers. Yeah. Boys, come on down.
So, M2.
Come on down, boys. So, quick drivers briefing.
Ferrari, Porsche. So, yan, walk around lang tayo. Ito yung 35 ng Auto Plus. Si Luis pala yung driver nito kanina. Ito, GT3 997 RS 4.0. Ito yung favorite kong Porsche sa lahat. Itong 997 na 4.0. Grabe, ang ganda. 997.2. Well, white on white. GR Yaris.
Okay, guys, come on. Last few drivers. I can
Check out nito, guys. Ford GT.
Alright. I'm calling all of you guys here now because we're ending
Ford
the drag
GT.
race already, okay?
Naka-golf
Drag
na
race
livery.
is supposed to go on till 12.
Tapos, yan yung SF90. Dito, grabe, ang ganda.
What's going to happen is we are now going to clean up the main straight. We're going to remove the pylons. In 15 minutes at 11:30, we will open
So,
the
yan yung mga
track
kotse.
for the expert drivers.
So ito, isa pang Auto Plus demo card. Yan, Auto Plus. Siege. Nice.
If you have been
Ito,
here
ang ganda.
before and are an
Classic na
expert driver,
BMW.
your number will start with 3.
Briefing na, tara na.
300.
Calling all drivers.
Open category na to eh. Ano tayo?
Good.
So tingnan nyo tong BMW to, super rare tong BMW.
Grabe, club sport.
What does that mean?
Wild.
It means
Di ko alam kung anong Z8. Kakaiba. Ito pang isa.
Kala mo,
pala,
boss.
boss.
Hindi, nakikiram lang.
You're probably not going to crash. But what we're going to do is we're
Alpina.
exciting a little bit around the track.
Pero guys, ito yung pinaka-solid sa lahat na ng kotse dito. Tingnan nyo to. GT2 RS Club Sport. So this car is a factory race car. So itong kotse na to, mabibili mo siya sa factory, sa Porsche mismo na race car na. So ito yung pinaka-mataas na level ng race car ng Porsche. Lalo na sa GT2 kasi GT2 RS Club Sport. So Club Sport is parang sa Porsche is yung parang pinaka highest grade ng race car nila. So yan. Well, so na roll cage, walang interior, iba na rin yung steering wheel niya, carbon, center lock, tapos syempre naka track tires. Well, so yan. Iba na yung steering wheel niya. Tapos naka-bucket seats of course. Carbon roof, carbon hood, carbon wing, carbon rear bumpers. Actually, lahat ito carbon, ipa-painted lang. Grabe, sobrang ganda.
Back in it, baby, just staying in town. I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds. Ignoring the calls, she's shutting that down. Started at the top, and I'm taking it down off the champagne. Took a break from the brown on a rampage. I've been giving it brown. Shawty been solid some time now. I'm all line for the wine, dine, and I'm with it. Look where we started and look where we at. I can see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago, I was down on my last. Was stuck at the crib, I couldn't get out of my bed. Then I realized it's all in my head. And I can't go back to the past, yeah. Except now I'm moving, put all in the music for more like a movement is brewing. I cannot picture us losing. I'm sharp when I shoot it, the world is my
Ano naman, Huracan STO Super Trofeo. I'm not sure ibig sabihin ng O. But yeah. Ang ganda. Grabe yung kulay niya. Itong mga details ng paint saka yung sticker. Ang ganda. Galit na galit. Tapos may pintas pa yung hood. So yung mga Yaris boys, saan kayo nakatingin?
Secret.
Ha?
Grabe.
Boom! So may Yaris dito na Vitz. Alam mo bakit Vitz? Kasi right hand drive. Wow! So dyan yung gas cap niya. Wow! Wild nito.
Evo pero parang ano sa akin yung Evo, ito parang realistic eh.
Yung Evo hindi mo masyado
Hindi, realistic sa akin to. Realistic sa akin to.
Wow!
May Evo na rin yung Evo eh, ganyan yung Evo.
Solid ng Yaris na
Ito,
to.
grabe.
Saka yung driver hapon, no?
Oo, ako. Kumihiro. Tsaka Japan sino yung mga kalagay?
Itasha style.
Parang siyang galing sa...
RS1, no?
Tsaka parang baba niya.
Ganda. Tingnan nyo na yung mga specs.
Picture ako na yung go.
Naka 15s, 19550. Champiro, SX2 goma. Pero tinaw, piki yung harap.
Yun nga eh, paano kaya ginawa yun?
Piki yung harap.
Yung harap yata pwede, yung likod hindi.
Mga Yaris boys, oh.
Ano mo to? Bakit ganito?
Tapos yung naka-digital gauge siya na pero yung race pack. Bride seats. Oh, yung same ka pinaupuan. Ganito yung akin. Zeta 3. Ganito yung akin. As in, ganyan na itsura niya ngayon. Ito, gray na siya.
Tingin nga ako nun eh.
Yan, so yan upuan ko ginawa ni Nif.
Gas tank yun. Oo, tsaka gas tank. Tingnan mo, ba't
Solid.
may tubo?
Ano talaga? Ano na talaga to?
Anong tubo?
Ayan,
Connected siya.
Ano yan? Sa jack.
ay, sa jack.
Oo. Ang ganda ng piki yung harap.
Pati yung post nyo, ang hindi. Ginawa
Ito
sa...
talaga yung gusto ko, RS1. Ganda. Ganda.
Sobrang no effort.
Iba yung aura ng auto, no?
Diba kahit madumi.
Grabe, parang gusto ko na talaga mag-Yaris. Parang ayoko na nang
Ito
pinaplano
nga,
ko.
hindi pinapansin nun.
Kasi ito, may EK.
Hindi din to.
Pero ito yung...
May ano pa nangyayari sa loob, pare? Bumper pa nangyayari.
May RS1 pa isa.
RS1.
Ganda nito. Parang sa lahat ng kotse dito, no?
Ano?
Anong favorite nyo?
Ito na. Ako hindi, yun ako eh.
Ito, meron pang...
Ganda.
Eh,
Chrome na ano.
NK yan.
NK nga.
Parang Maximona eh.
Maximona yun.
Ganda na to.
Tapos pumutok. Ganda.
Ganda ng bumper.
Ganda ng side mirror.
Well, tapos meron pang ano dito.
Boss, pwede mo buksan to?
Grabe.
Wala makakala.
Grabe, ganda. Right hand drive din siya. Inks plus 1. Meron tayong nakitang kotse ito. Ito, alam na alam itong kotse na to, 90s legend, and ang may-ari si David. Nagvo-vlog siya, guys. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa vlog niya, please do subscribe.
I'm a vloggerist.
Vloggerist. So lagay natin yung link dito, screenshot ng channel niya para makapag-subscribe
Para magsawa pa kayo sa
Oo.
yellow na Supra.
So ito yung kotse niya, yung A80 Supra. So this car has a 2JZ engine. And itong Supra na to, proud to say, rig left. Yes? Rig left. So yan. And itong Supra na to, kapitbahay ko to. Pati ko to nakikita sa village, umikot-ikot. Yan. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Max. Beefy. Pwede patingin ng loob. Pakita natin sa inyo yung loob. Ay, nakalock. Power lock?
Original.
Talaga?
Factory.
Factory power lock yan? Wow! So, yan yung interior ng Supra. Kung makikita nyo, para siyang aeroplano. Yung orientation, talagang driver-oriented siya. Tapos naka-TRD siya na gauge. Makikita nyo, TRD gauge. Yan, tapos yung dashboard niya, super intact kasi nga rig left. Walang putol.
Restored yung lahat na
Talaga?
lahat ng pwede palitan, I replaced it. Lahat, as in, if I see one available, I'd buy it. US,
Oo.
personal people from marketplace ng US,
Oo.
I'd buy it off them. Tapos,
Talagang para makumpleto.
lahat. So I wanted to restore the car and lahat pang ilalim nire-restore ko para yung feel niya nung bago siya. Like for example, I'm in Clark now, iniyaya lang ako.
Sabi ko nga.
Dinala ko yung car, I'm not scared. Tapos naka-link ECU, so bago yung management ko, so wala akong takot.
problema.
Yeah. Pero guys, ito the best dyan. Pakita ko lang. Ito the best dyan. Agree kayo. Para pogi yung car.
Ooh! Nice. Actually, may giyan din ako sa Cresida. Pero hindi ko pa nakakabit.
Laking bagay na.
Oo, totoo. Saka, kasi nga, syempre pag may plaka, di ba, medyo
Pangit.
tignan. So ngayon, solid. Nice.
Yung paint lang, ano pa, wala pang top coat actually.
Okay. So hindi pa siya finished talaga.
Hindi pa.
Nice. So balik tayo sa interior. Tingnan nyo itong interior niya. Grabe. Sobrang fresh. Pati yung ceiling. Yung ceiling niya, leather.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ganda.
Tapos itong trunk complete.
Urig stock seats pa to.
Yeah, ayoko mag
Bucket seats.
Yung
Kompleto
trunk,
pero meron ka ring ano.
yung trunk kompleto.
Tunog,
Yeah.
kompleto.
Kompleto. All the tools kinumpleto ko.
Wow, grabe.
Yeah. Pero, still, konti, minor stuff
Oo.
to do with the car pa.
Grabe.
Pero yung masarap, di ba? I could
Nagagamit
use the
mo.
car
Kotse
like
talaga?
a car.
May sound system
Hindi-
to.
Meron, hindi
Aircon.
siya... May aircon. Ayoko yung parang JDM na...
Shitbox.
People treat JDM now as shitbox eh. Kaya ngayon, I started bringing in mga brand new na transmission, brand new
Brand new
JDM parts.
R154?
Lahat.
Wow.
Pang Bulldog transmission ng RB25 bago, meron na rin ako. So, I'm gonna try to get all brand new, mga cylinder head ng 2J,
Oo.
brand new. Like, I want to be able to, gusto ko buhayin yung JDM sa Philippine culture kasi
Yes, tama
namamatay, bakit? Dahil bulok daw. So,
Oo.
I wanted to prove it na
Yes. Ito yung
it's not
best
bulok.
example.
Yeah, kaya
Best
ayusin.
example.
Basta spend money, spend time,
Oo.
bring it to the right people.
Yes.
Kaya eh.
Patingin ng makina.
Makina, pwede. Wait.
So, ino nyo to guys, nakagana door siya. And itong gana door niya urig. Grabe. Meron pa siyang ilaw. Umiilaw to?
Yes. Chamba lang yan, guys.
Naka-fold to, di ba?
Nagagalaw, pero...
Oh, yun ang urig. Kasi ang fake na gana door, hindi mo siya magaganon. Pag nagaganyan mo, yan ang urig. Grabe.
May ilaw.
Ewan ko na lang kung alam nyo yung presyo ng mga gana door ngayon.
Actually guys, dapat ibebenta ko siya.
Oh, bakit?
Kasi hindi ko masyado type. And then I posted it sa marketplace nung isang foreigner na kausap ko. Sabi niya, I'll buy it off you, how much do you want? Sabi ko, I don't know eh. He offered me about 180,000 pesos. So nagduda ako, ba't ganun kabilis niya ako inoferan?
Hindi, pero pangit yan. Pangit talaga.
When I
Benta
check,
mo nila sa akin.
when I check sa online, yung original brand niya, basta may brand yan na hindi ko kabisado yung brand. And
Oo.
then, when I check, discontinued na siya. So, when I check yung mga secondary market talaga, it's about 220, 230,000 kung may mahanap ka.
Yes.
So, yun ang labanan.
Grabe talaga, presyong bios.
So, engine
Yun,
bay,
2JZ.
stock lang guys.
Stock, totoong stock.
So, totoong stock.
Okay.
Tapos, OE, black to.
Yun,
This
yun,
is a
black.
aluminum radiator
Oo.
pero black siya.
Pati intercooler mo black?
No. I didn't wanna paint it kasi pag pinaint ko yan, baka
Chip off.
oh.
Yeah. Totoo.
Ano pa ba? Yeah,
Wow.
stock 2J. Ito, binlock ko rin. I just wanna make it look stock.
Actually, mas okay talaga na ano
Stock looking, yeah.
Oh, kasi plus reliable.
Yeah.
Kasi pag ginalaw mo ng ginalaw yan, doon sisimula yun eh.
Yeah, tsaka the power, madali lang humingi ng power eh. It's just, gusto ko muna enjoyin yung car na ganito. Clark, gusto mo, La Union tayo, I could bring the car. Ngayon, after that, pagka medyo comfortable na ako sa build, 500, kaya. Easy lang.
Totoo.
500 single.
With minimal
Yeah.
ano.
Kasi yung stock engine ko ngayon, actually, nasa 350 wheel.
350.
So, internet, first time to may numbers yung car ko. Sa vlog pa ni Justin.
Yun, no?
Tapos, 350, nag-limit yung injectors.
Oo.
So, ngayon meron akong fuel rail with the injector. So, with the stock turbo, kaya ng 400 with a healthy engine na 2J.
Sarap.
So, 400 is already enough.
Totoo, sobra-sobra na yun, bro.
Yeah, kasi a GT3 NA is about 420.
Yeah.
Something
Oo.
like that, di ba?
Kasi, lalo na yung sa mga ibang tao, gusto nila pinakamataas na
Pinakamataas.
horsepower. Pero, totoo lang guys, hindi mo
Hindi rin,
kailangan
guys.
eh. Hindi mo kailangan
The beauty of this kasi, nagkaroon ako ng R32 GTR na 600 wheel,
Oo.
na kay E85 sagad. But the problem is, yes, nagagamit ko siya, walang tirek. But the problem is, hindi rin safe eh. Pag
Oo,
upak mo,
totoo.
it's like
Saka street car eh.
street car eh. It's like
Oo.
this, like, alam mo yun, if I give the keys to Justin ngayon, ikot siya, hindi ako natatakot, baka mapahiya ako. So, something to build like that, ito yun, I wanna like share to the people. When you build your cars, build it right.
Yes.
Para at least, alam mo yun, the image of the old cars or the JDM culture is
Hindi
not,
nasisira.
it's not bulok.
Totoo.
Kasi
totoo,
usually when you
totoo.
talk to the people, alam mo, high-end people, they go like, JDM, bulok yan.
Oo.
So, alam mo yun, it's like, syempre, we gotta keep this alive for the
Yes.
culture eh.
Yes,
So,
tama.
minsan hindi na lang because it's nice to drive, minsan
Oo.
culture na lang. Why?
Yes.
Because this is where we all started, the origin
Yes, tama.
ng spirit natin.
Kung bakit
why
tayo nagsimula sa
Exactly,
kotse.
exactly.
And bakit natin ginagawa
Yes,
hanggang ngayon.
exactly.
Tama yun, tama yun. Speaking of 2JZ, nakita ko ang dami may pinost kang 2JZ, tatlo.
The reason why I have a lot of 2J, kasi nga, mandami nagsasabi, bihira na 2J, ganon. So, I really want to, alam mo yun, to give it to the Philippine car culture na, alam mo yun, as much as possible, I have the connections, I have the ability to import.
Oo.
I would do my best. Like, for example, si Rafi was talking to me about SR20 VET.
Oo.
Yesterday, nagla-lunch lang kami. Then I told them, Rafi, merong SR20 VET. I got it agad. So, alam mo yun, it's just keep on going. Para the builds are getting nicer. Alam mo yun, the culture's coming back. Kasi D1's gonna come to the Philippines.
Yes.
So for sure, younger generation would be,
Joining.
alam mo yun, like joining, or they'll be encouraged na parang, wow, JDM's back. So, alam mo yun, we gotta keep up so the culture would still be alive.
Tama. So yun guys, check out nyo si David. Message nyo sa Instagram if interested kayo na about pyesa ng makina.
Yeah.
Or anything about cars.
Or build
message mo siya.
Supras.
Or message. That's why, he's the guy.
If you have a
he's the guy.
Supra, message me.
Yun.
Let's build it.
Yun.
Para lahat ng Supra maganda.
Yes. Thank you bro. Thank you bro. Alright guys, so dito na tatapos yung vlog natin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ako super nag-enjoy yung mata ko and yung tenga ko. Kasi grabe talaga yung mga kotse dito. Yung wild. At yung mga dream cars natin. So, mas lalo ako na-inspire, na-motivate para mag-work hard. So, sana kayo rin para lalo-lalo itong kotse na to ma-achieve natin. 2 RS Club Sport. Super intense. So, yeah, maraming salamat kay Kirk for inviting us here. Squid. So, ito yung track day nila. Wild. So, yeah, abangan nyo yung vlog ni Squid, ni Kirk dito about this track day. And if di pa kayo na-subscribe sa channel niya, please do subscribe. And sa akin din, if di pa kayo na-subscribe, please subscribe on my channel para mapanood nyo pa yung mga ganitong vlogs and yung mga upcoming vlogs ko. Super dami kong ilalabas sa vlog dito sa channel natin. So, yeah. And if di nyo pa check out yung website natin, it's buzzhypemotorsport.com. Andun yung mga merch natin. Air fresheners and keychains are available now there. So, check out nyo yun. And pwede doon, COD, credit card, anything. So, yeah. Appreciate lang natin itong kotse na to. Super ganda. Intense talaga. So, yeah. Ito na tapos yung vlog natin. Thank you guys for watching. And always tandaan, enjoy car life. See you on the next vlog.
I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going on, that's why they call me North. You could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep from what these whores say. Just get my good side, make sure that shit 4K, yeah. Baby, I've been serving L's like the weed man.